the Autodesk marketplace becomes significantly more important in an AI native world now. Historically, software marketplaces in general were mainly about discovering applications, right? Somebody put the application there, fine. Customers could explore it and see it. But going forward, I believe they're increasingly become places where AI discovers the capabilities or tools. And for partners like CoolOrange, that's a fundamental change. Instead of publishing a complete application, we are publishing expertise, I would say. We're making decades of manufacturing knowledge available as reusable capabilities that AI assistants can discover and then invoke. And at the same time, the marketplace creates something very essential: trust. Customers need to know where a capability comes from, what it can access, who stands behind it, all important questions. So Autodesk provides a consistent platform. Partners such as Orange can contribute specialized domain knowledge that we have and gathered over the years. And customers can adopt those capabilities with greater confidence and then at the end benefit from all the knowledge that we provide there.